In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find copyright-free music and videos in CapCut PC. If you're editing on a computer and want assets you can safely use on platforms like YouTube, this walkthrough will show you where to find them inside CapCut and how to quickly confirm they're cleared for use. Start by opening CapCut on your PC. Give the app a second to load into the editor so you can see your timeline and the main panels. Working from the editor view ensures everything you add will go straight into your project without extra setup. To find cleared music, head to the top area and select Audio, then choose Music. This opens CapCut's built-in library of tracks designed for creators. Use the search bar to type a mood, genre, or keyword, like Lo-fi, cinematic, or uplifting. You can browse curated categories as well, which is helpful when you're not sure what will fit your edit. Click the play icon on any track to preview it before you use it. Look for indicators in the library that show the track is free to use within CapCut for personal and, in many cases, commercial projects. When in doubt, check the usage notes shown in the panel. Avoid mixing in outside songs unless you have the rights, and be careful with trending or brand-associated tracks that may have restrictions. A quick best practice is to keep a note of the track name you choose and where you found it in case you ever need to reference it for a copyright review. Next, let's grab copyright-free video. Click Media to open the panel where your assets live. From here, click Library. This is CapCut's stock collection, where you'll find videos and other visual assets you can safely incorporate. Use the search box to enter descriptive terms like city skyline, nature B-roll, or abstract background. Preview clips to check framing, movement, and overall vibe. Many items will display details such as resolution and duration, which helps you match your project's quality. As you browse, look for labels indicating the footage is free to use inside CapCut, often with notes about personal and commercial usage. Stick to neutral visuals when possible and avoid clips that feature recognizable logos, brand names, or sensitive content to reduce the chance of content ID or manual claims on publishing platforms. That's it. Open CapCut, choose Audio, then Music for cleared tracks, and for video, go to Media, and then Library to search and preview stock footage. Keep track of what you use, double-check the usage notes shown in CapCut, and you'll build edits that look and sound great while staying on the safe side of copyright.